Welcome to the Order Change Notice and Submittal Management application. This powerful Windows-based tool is designed to streamline submittal and ECN workflows for engineering and construction projects. Upon launching the application, you will see two main options: Submittal Management and Order Change. Notice ECN. Let's explore both modules in detail. The Submittal Report window is where you manage and track all submittals. Here you'll find a search bar to locate specific submittals, a customer filter drop-down to filter records by customer, a new submittal button to create a fresh submittal. At the bottom, buttons for customer records and settings. In the customer records window, you can search for existing customers or add new ones using the new customer button. When adding a new customer, ensure you provide their name, email, and phone number. Each customer can have multiple projects and contact persons. When creating a submittal, you'll need to select a customer, a project, a contact person, the documents to be submitted, and to provide the submittal revision number. You can then choose to create the submittal report, print the report, email the report. Now let's explore the Order Change Notice ECN module. This section allows you to track changes in projects efficiently. In the ECN Records window, you'll find a search bar for quick lookups, a filter drop-down to sort records by initiating engineer, a new ECN button to create a fresh order change notice. When creating a new ECN, you need to provide job status, engineer initiating the ECN, type of revision, paperwork changed, QC number and project number, description of change, affected drawings, DWG and PDF. You can then create the ECN, email it, export to Excel, export to PDF, save or exit. The settings window allows customization of system preferences, engineer presets, and export configurations, and that's an overview of the Order Change Notice and Submittal Management application. With these tools, managing submittals and tracking project changes has never been easier. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.